Hey nail fam, gone are the days when I have thousands and thousands of gel polishes. I actually cleaned up my entire nails products. I kind of simplified and decluttered everything that I have, and I'm just sticking to a few select brands that I use on a consistent basis. And I just want to focus on the products that I use the most. I want to have just a small amount of nail products. I'm no longer doing any bunch of overconsumption. I just want to start cleaning up. And all of the products that I've purchased and invested in, I need to start using them again. So if you are a beginner at nails, definitely stick to just simple products. Okay, so let's start with this latest collection from Madam Glam. This is the A+ collection, and I was sent over this as PR products, but I am a VIP member, so I do actually have a membership where I purchase my own products as well. These are the 8 stunning colors. Now, there seems to be a mixture of some solid colors as well as some beautiful kind of holographic gels in here. Absolutely stunning colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors for you so that you can have a look and see if this could be a collection that you would like to use. Wait, I should probably introduce myself for somebody that might be new to my channel. Hello, this is Nails by Tia Bella. My nails are short, but actually I do really wild long nails, but I'm also a student. I'm studying accounting and I actually work for a bank. So that's a little bit about me. Now, Madam Glam products are 21 toxins free, which means there are 21 toxins that may be found in other gel polishes that's actually not found in Madam Glam. They are vegan and cruelty free, they are palm oil free, and they have one of the best pigmentation on the planet when it comes to gel polish. This has to be one of my top brands to use simply for that reason. Okay, so these are the last few gel polishes in this latest collection from Madam Glam. I feel like there is a good mixture of colors here. I can almost see a little bit of Halloween, a little bit of Christmas from that red. This brown is definitely reminding me a bit of the autumn and the fall season. And the blue could easily be a summer color. So I feel like we have quite a bit of seasons in this collection here. All right, here's my beautiful lamp from Madam Glam, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure these for 60 seconds. I did see on the website there's a new lamp, and I have that in my cart already, so I will be getting the new lamp as well. Okay, here's a final look at these gel polishes, and the swatches are absolutely beautiful. Here's a glimpse at those two purples. It's giving me a bit of purple and blue, and then here is the greens, which are so pretty. I love these because they are just reminding me a bit of fall. The green I would definitely use for some kind of leaf nail design or something like that. Here's that red, absolutely gorgeous. Is this not telling us Christmas a little bit? I feel like it's a bit of Christmas, a bit of Valentine's if I really wanted to push it out. But honestly, I would probably use this red color right now. And then finally, here's the two neutral colors. I feel like this is champagne and, you know, some kind of toasty brown. It is beautiful. A final look of all of the swatches all together. Absolutely gorgeous colors in this latest collection from Madame Glam. Now, I hope you didn't think I was done. No, my friends, I do have some more gel polishes that I want to share with you. And guys, I got the limited edition box of their 10-year anniversary, and look at this packaging. Absolutely gorgeous packaging. It looks like a royal gift. And I'm so grateful to receive this as PR. Although I am a bit late, it is definitely giving the glamorous look indeed. So we look like we have 8 gel polishes, we have 1 nail art, and then we also have foil transfer. And it's nice to see nail art from Madame Glam. This is something new. We don't always get like physical nail art type stuff. It's always been the gels, but this one is some shells, and this would have been perfect for a beach inspired nail art design or encapsulation. Oh my gosh, this would have been perfect for encapsulation with their clear rubber base gel. That would have been really cool. Nonetheless, summer is not yet over, and we still have a few more weeks left in August before we roll into the fall season. So if we are going to do something, now is the time to do that. Now, another nail art from Madame Glam, which is foil transfer. We don't often get a lot of nail art from Madame Glam, but I do know I have a growing collection of their foil transfers because these would have been in the advent calendars over the last 2 years. I believe this is where I got these ones from. So I have 4 of them here so far. And now I have an extra gold foil so that I can do foil transfer like you know, marbles or some kind of really fancy nail design. All right, guys, so I'm assuming this is going to be birthday themed because this first one that I pulled out is called Cake Batter, and the colors are beautiful. Let me go ahead and take the colors out, and then we're going to go ahead and swatch them. I think all the colors here are beautiful, but this one here is such an elegant and classy pink. It is such a beautiful color. In person, it is much more stunning than it does look up and cut up hair on camera. It is so beautiful, and you can wear this by itself, and it definitely gives you that soft girl look, that soft lady look. You know, it's such a romantic color. Now I saw this and I was like, okay, Pink Friday, I see you. This definitely would have been a top choice for the Nicki Minaj concert that I went to. Absolutely beautiful. When I saw the name, I was like, okay, this reminds me of Pink Friday, but it's such a beautiful color, honestly. These two colors, this as well as that soft pink, these two are just absolutely beautiful. Extremely girly, extremely Barbie, you know? And I'm glad that they have quite a variety of different colors here. There's something for everyone. There's something for those of us that are purple addicts. Purple is actually my favorite color. But if I was to wear a color on my nails, it would actually be like a soft pink. Although I would not necessarily wear pink clothing. I actually have a lot of neutral clothing. So I love the pinks. I will definitely love neutral gel polishes as well. Honestly, beautiful colors. All right, they are done curing under the... Okay, I was trying to be... You know, there's always that one gel polish swatch stick that's just going to misbehave. Okay, there we go. Now, here's a final look at these gorgeous colors from the limited edition box, celebrating 10 years of providing stunning gel polishes. I do have one more, guys. Hold on. Before you go, one more collection here that I want to share with you. And this was launched back in, I want to say July. This reminds me of the 4th of July celebrations. Yeah, I had to throw the box away. I'm dramatic like that, guys. I've got my swatch sticks here. We're going to go ahead. It's only 5 of these and voila, look at the magic. I can actually hold 5 gel polishes in my hand. How cool is that? It's not cool, guys. All right, we have 5 gel polishes here. 4 of these are regular gels, and then we have 1 confetti type top coat and gorgeous colors, guys. Top coat is called Celebration. It's absolutely beautiful. You're not limited to just 4th of July or, you know, celebrations and stuff like that. You can wear these whenever you want. All right, let's go ahead and give these a quick swatch, guys. I know I'm out of focus, but this red is absolutely stunning. I don't know why I'm whispering, but it is absolutely stunning. Also, we love thick top coat over here. Team thick top coat. Now, I love top coats that are thinner as well, but the thick top coat, oh, it's just absolutely stunning. Why am I whispering again? All right, so we're going to quickly give this a 60-second cure underneath the UV lamp. And for some reason, there was a bird outside my window that seemed to just be peeking inside while I was doing my nails. Completely irrelevant. Nonetheless, all of my swatch sticks are always that one swatch stick. Here's a final look at these gorgeous gel polishes from Madame Glam from the collection that was launched back in July. My collection of gel polishes has just grown, guys. I've completely added some amazing gel polishes. How gorgeous are these colors? Now, the only problem that I have left remaining is I need to now go and sort these out and put them up on my shelves to add to my existing gel polishes. Thanks for spending time with me today, guys, watching these. Oopsie, excuse my leg, guys. And why is there still a bird outside my window looking in, guys? I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.